Do you know the difference between Journal and Academic IELTS? Hi, my name is Faisal. I'm your expert IELTS trainer. I've trained around 4,000 students so far. The highest band which can be awarded to you in IELTS is 9. There are 4 areas which are tested in IELTS, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Now, if you want to work, immigrate, or pursue education outside in a foreign land, then there is a certain required band that you have to achieve. Once you know your required band, then the most important thing that you're supposed to do is to assess yourself or get yourself assessed by a professional. You must know where do you stand at that particular stage and how far you have to go in order to achieve your desired or required band. Now let me share 4 very effective tips with you which will allow you to get your desired band. Tip number 1. Having absolute self-belief in yourself. Now remember, there is a lot which you have already achieved in your past life. That's the reason you find yourself in the position where you are right now, from where you want to pursue your further ambitions in a foreign land. It will encourage you that you can keep on achieving more in the future as well. Tip number 2. You are not the only one. There are millions and millions of people who have already appeared in IELTS and got their desired bands. So if millions could do it, then you can do it as well. Tip number 3. Having a schedule. It is very important to have a schedule when you appear in IELTS examination. Without consistently practicing IELTS material, you will not be able to get your desired band, or it's highly unlikely that you will get your desired band. Now, tip number 4. The material that you use for your IELTS preparation must be authentic. It must reflect the same level of difficulty which you are likely to come across in IELTS examination. And I can recommend you publishers like Cambridge, Oxford, Macmillan. Their material is up to the mark. Don't forget to contact us for more information. Thank you very much.
Like our videos, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates.